guys, Holly here, and so you're gonna be wondering why I'm back in Burger King with my students speaking. Well, not much. So in the morning it was kind of bright, shiny, and bright and beautiful, and now it is freaking pouring out here. I'm getting wet. Oh God. As you can tell, it's raining. I can't tell, but there's some rain pouring down. My case is going crazy. My case is going freaking crazy. It's raining out here. There's thunder and lightning again, of course. Can't really much for tornadoes either, but I told you, thunder and lightning always makes a day. That red car over there is mine. I have to walk through all this to go to my freaking car. And I'm like, nope. So I'm gonna stay here for about 2 more hours. And it hasn't been very much of a timing where there can be a slight chance of severe thunderstorm warnings. I think, I hope not though. This is some sort of super machine thing, see? But anyways, the severe thunderstorm warning has become to an end, I believe. So I'm not too sure there's going to be a severe thunderstorm warning, but I'm more switching this. I'll show you someone. My bag's wet too. Surprisingly, yes. I'm completely wet. I'm covered up in drops of milk. I'm covered in drops. Okay, so I'm in the ladies' restroom. Here's me right now. So I'm pouring. This is my phone case. It's that wet. Oh my god. Well, I'm just hoping for the best. This is my bag, right? So what's happening is that apparently this is happening right now. That's the rain, I think. Yeah, this is that noise was the rain, and was thunder. It was thunder on my house. So, and there could be slight chance of severe thunderstorm warnings, but I'm just gonna quickly dry my phone case. Okay, I am back drying off my phone case. Okay, let me make sure no one's in here. I gotta make sure, because I'm not gonna record on people or anything. My head's wet. Okay, whatever. I'm constantly being quiet for a moment because I just need a moment of silence for a few minutes. And that's pretty much it for this. That's pretty much it for the episode. Peace. Mango? Ow!